Are you ready? Here's the first one. Listen carefully. Can I have a piece of bubble thumb? What? Did you hear a silly word in there?
Yes.
What was the silly word?
Thumb.
It was thumb. Did that make sense?
No.
What is right? What should it have been in the sentence?
Gum.
Gum. Listen to me say it again. Ready? Can I have a piece of bubble gum? What? Can you do that with me? Ready? Can I have a piece of bubble gum? So what rhymes with thumb?
Gum.
Gum. What is the curve? You got it. Here we go. My dog is all muddy. He needs to take a math. Did you hear a silly word there?
You can't take a math.
You can't take a math. What was the word supposed to be?
Bath.
Bath. Math. Bath. What do they do?
Run.
What is the curve?
Ah.
You got it. Here we go. My sister fell down and jumped her head. Was there something funny in that sentence? What was the silly word?
Jump.
It was jumped. What should the word have been? Bumped. Can you help me say that? Here we go. Let's say this sentence again with the real word. Here we go. My sister fell down and bumped her head. What were the rhyming words? Jumped and what was the curve? Here we go. Can I ride my hike? Can I ride my hike? I see you smiling. Does that make sense? No. What should that word have been?
Bike.
Bike. Not hike, but bike. All right, hike, bike. Do they rhyme?
Yes.
What is the curve? You got it. Here we go. Oh, you're going to laugh at this one. Are you ready? This is a big sentence. Here we go. Look at the clouds way up in the sky. You're laughing. What was the silly word? Sly. And what should the word have been? We do have sly. There it is. Chicken litter. Show me sly. What does sly mean? What does it mean? Not greedy. Look at this. Sneaky, like chicken. Who was sneaky in Chicken Little?
The fox.
The fox. He was sly. So when I said, look at the clouds way up in the sky, did that make sense?
No.
What should the word have been?
Sky.
Sky. So here we go. Sly sky. What is the curve?
Eye.
All right, here we go. You ready to put some words, syllables, or words in your pocket? Here we go. Say basketball.
Basketball.
Put ball in your pocket. What is left?
Basket.
Say jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Put fish in your pocket. What is left?
Jelly.
Say ladybug.
Ladybug.
Put bug in your pocket. What is left?
Lady.
You got it. Say silversmith. Put smith in your pocket. What is left?
Silver.
Say figurehead.
Figurehead.
Put head in your pocket. What is left?
Figure.
Say newspaper.
Newspaper.
Put news in your pocket. What is left?
Paper.
Got it. Say everything.
Everything.
Put thing in your pocket. What is left?
Ever.
Try it one more time. Listen. Say everything.
Everything.
Put thing in your pocket. What is left?
Every.
Every. Say peppermint.
Peppermint.
Put mint in your pocket. What is left?
Pepper.
Say handwriting.
Handwriting.
Put hand in your pocket. What is left?
Writing.
Kiss your brains. All right. Now this is the tricky one. This is our changing the end of a word. And remember, we've talked a lot about this and the strategy that we use to help us remember the first sound. Who can tell me real quick, what is the strategy that we use to help us remember the first sound? Elliot, you kind of thought of it. What's the strategy?
If you change the word and you don't really remember what the beginning was, you say the word back and keep the beginning sound in your mouth.
Keep that beginning sound on your lips. That will help you remember what we need to put at the beginning of the new ending. Right? Give me a thumbs up. You ready? I'm looking for that mouth position. Here we go. Say lid.
Lid.
Don't say it, but I just want you to put it on there. Change the id to ed. See, you already had that already. Say well. Change the L to ut. Got it. Say pig. I see you already with that. Change the ig to ot. Got it. Say house. Say change ouse to ohm. Say miss. Good job. Change the I'm sorry. I was going to change the first sound. I'm changing the last. Let's do that again. Say miss. Change is to ud. Say bib. Change ib to ox. Not a big deal. Okay, hold on. We got distracted. No, it's okay. Listen again. Watch me because I said bib. Say it. Bib. Put it here. Change ib to ox. Got it. Say nest. Change S to ot. Got it. say ring. I see it on Peyton's lips. Change ing to ock. Say time. Let me see it. I see it on Rowan. Change I'm to app. Last one. Say wax. I see it. Change axe to in. All right, here we go. I have a sentence for you. 7 slippery syllables sat silently. Wow, that's a crazy sentence. What did you hear? Mostly at the beginning of 7 slippery syllables sat silently. Would you think that that would be a silly sentence?
Yes.
Can syllables sit?
All the words in it begin with a S.
And they all begin with this. Okay, have a seat.